So to begin, I hold the tail of yarn towards me and the working end of the yarn away from me to make a magic ring, and make a P. Coil the yarn around the finger and you're ready to make your first stitch over a magic ring. So make a chain, and then chain 3. This count as the first triple crochet on this triple crochet 3 together stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and then 2 more triple crochet together over the ring. So 1 petal is made. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 triple crochet together over the ring. So we are going to do it a total of 6 times. We will have 6 petals. So second petal is made, so this is the third. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and triple crochet 3 together over the ring. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, triple crochet 3 together over the ring for the 4th time. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, triple crochet over the ring for the 5th time. Then for the 6th time, we chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, triple crochet 3 together over the ring. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slippy stitch on top of the first petal that was made. Then tighten the tail of the ring. Get it tight as you can, and you have the flower formed. So that's how the flower looks. So So break the yarn at this point. And pull it through. And we are going to finish hiding the yarn tail. Hiding the yarn tail with the wrong side facing us. Hide this tail also. Done. Then the next one we are going to make is the smaller flower. Before we make the smaller flower, we need to go ahead and make a paper guide which will help us put the separate crochet motifs together. So let's do that. So the next thing is to get a paper guide for making the background knitting of the flowers so that we join it onto the inner side of the cactus leaf and flower motif. We're gonna make a mark at the center of the paper. This is a guide for centering the design. I use a cardboard or a styrofoam surface to lay the designs on top, so you can use pins to stabilize the design while you're working on the pieces, putting them together. So we want to stretch the flower and leaf motif enough to accommodate the two flowers inside. We are going to trace. Just trace it lightly like that. So we just cut the shape. We need a small pillow to lay the guide and the designs and we can pin them onto it, and also we can turn the pillow and the whole design around for our convenience while working on the design. We are going to use the iris lace irregular stitches to connect the motif together and join it to the cactus flower and leaf. So we obtained a small pillow, and we are going to use the pillow as a working surface. So we lay the guide and lay the flower and leaf motif, and we are going to lay it on the shape of the paper guide. This is the end of this video tutorial, and on the next episode we will be making the small flower motif and then making the iris crochet lace technique to connect the two flowers together, also to join it onto the cactus leaf and flower motifs. So I will see you soon on the next video tutorial, and please remember to like, subscribe and share, and I appreciate you all very much and wish you all a happy and prosperous New Year.